Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you easy ways to secure your Roblox account. So when you log on into your Roblox account, you can go over to the top right area where you have the settings icon right here. Click on it and then click on settings. Now if you'd like to secure your account, you need to make sure that your phone number, your email address has been verified. As you can see, this is the email address for this account and you have verified. For the phone number, you can add the phone number and you will also have the option to verify it as you're adding it. Another way to secure your Roblox account is to connect it with your social media networks. This helps to create your presence, and if you have any challenges with your Roblox, your case will be easily handled since you have your social networks accounts connected and you can be easily identified. Then next, you're going to go over to security. Now with security, you have the two-step verification. This is a pretty easy option to follow as this helps in protecting your Roblox account. So you have your authentication app, which is very secure. All you need to do is to toggle this on. But before you do that, you'll need to download the app into your phone in order to generate the unique security codes. When you click on the toggle button on, you will have some steps to follow in order to secure your account using the Authenticator app. As an additional layer of security, you can also add your email where you can receive unique security codes at your specified email. So by toggling this on, you will need to provide that secure email. And if you have a hardware security key, which is very secure also, you can use this on supported web browsers, iPhone and iPad devices as an extra layer of protection while logging in. And lastly, if you have apps which you've added to your Roblox, go over to app permissions, and if you've given access to third-party applications using your Roblox account, you can check the settings here to make sure that you've given permissions just for what you need. Also, if you're not sure of what app you've given as a third-party app permission, you can toggle it off or delete it from your Roblox account to avoid any malicious activity on your Roblox account. So there you have some easy ways to secure your Roblox account. What other ways have you used to secure your Roblox account? Let us know in the comments section below, and if you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.